Hi, my name is Crystal Morrissey, and I'm one of the counselors with Canadian Hearing Services, or CHS. And I work locally in our hearing care counseling program, which is designed for adults who are 55 years of age and older and have an acquired hearing loss. I'm one of the counselors who provides this program in the Peterborough and surrounding area. Although CHS has many support services for deaf and hard of hearing Canadians, today we're going to focus on our hearing care counseling program. One of the roles I play is providing information and counseling, and this can include information to you as a client, to your family members and other caregivers around understanding your hearing loss, how it's impacting you and your communication partners, information on the use, care, and maintenance of your hearing aids if you wear them, helping you to prepare in advance and manage difficult listening situations. And we know with COVID that there's been a lot of those lately with physical distancing, masking, and other PPE. Selecting communication devices, which we'll talk about again in a minute, and referral to other community agencies. Education is provided to clients, family members, caregivers, and the public through presentations, community displays, workshops, and in-service trainings. There's many communication devices that can help support you in your hearing loss. And one of my roles as a counselor is to help you sort through the information on all the different devices and find something that might work to fit and support your unique needs. Once you've chosen a device, our counselors are also here to provide education and assistance in learning how to use the device to get the most out of it. And these devices fit in many different categories, including amplified telephones. We've seen an increase in amplified telephone sales during the pandemic as phones have become a lifeline to many people now that we're not visiting or out in the community as much. So if you have hearing loss, this can be really helpful to have a telephone where you can increase the volume and adjust the tone of the incoming sound so that you can hear as best as possible. Television listening devices are another really popular category of devices, and they help in two ways. One, the person with the hearing loss can wear a headset, and that way they can adjust the volume and sometimes also the tone depending on the device, so they can hear the television as best as possible, which improves their listening experience. And then it also provides some relief for other people who maybe don't want to hear the television. So if you live with someone else and they don't have a hearing loss, or if you live in a congregate setting, an apartment building, or retirement home, and your neighbors don't want to hear the same program as you, it can be really helpful. I also help with personal amplification systems, which might include a pocket talker or other amplifier to increase incoming sounds. And then alerting systems. So some popular ones are to alert you to the doorbell ringing, to your phone ringing, and then safety concerns such as the smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm. Having an alerting system that can be visual or tactile so it can vibrate to alert you to safety concerns, ultimately with the goal of letting you live independently at home with your hearing aids. And the last thing I want to speak about today is our new sound advice workshops. And this is something I'm really excited to be providing the community. This is a 4-week program that we're providing at no cost. None of our services I've explained so far have a cost unless you're to buy a device to support yourself. So they're going to be free, small groups via Zoom. So there'll be 4 to 6 people, and we'll talk about different topics about hearing loss. Some of them we've already mentioned. We'll talk about hearing health and communication, factors that influence how well you can understand speech, stress, how to express your communication needs to others, difficult listening situations, and many more things. And the benefit of the group is that you can meet others. So I do hope this has provided you some information on our services, and I look forward to hearing from you by email, by phone, or going to our website if you or someone you care about could benefit from our individual or group services. Thanks, and I hope to hear from you.